Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, how are you? Today I will show you how to transfer balance STC to STC in Saudi Arabia 2021. There are three ways to sharing load one STC number to another STC number. I will show you one by one three step how to transfer balance STC to STC. Just follow me. First way, dial button. Star 133 star your STC number. Star 55 star your balance hash, then send, then OK. Second way, SMS. Star 133 star your STC number 055 star your balance hash and send to 900. First you install my STC apps. I already downloaded, so I click on open and write your mobile number and click continue and wait for OTP. It's 75423. 875423. Okay, my STC apps is login, so I click manage. After then click transfer, then click send. Now you search which number you want to send. Okay, after then you choose how much balance would you like to send, 5 real, 10 real, 15 real or 20 reals. Thank you for watching my video.